In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email template in Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up a browser and head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads, I'm just going to make sure I'm inside my Gmail inbox. That's the main screen where all your emails show up. From here, the process is really straightforward, so we'll just move through it together step by step while I show you exactly what I'm clicking. So now that I'm inside Gmail, I'm going to go to the upper left side of the screen and click on the Compose button. As soon as I click that, a new message window pops up in the bottom corner of the screen. This is the same window you normally use whenever you send a regular email. Inside this Compose window, I'm going to go ahead and write the message that I want to turn into a template. Basically, this is the email you plan to reuse later, so you can type whatever message you normally send over and over again. I'm just going to type my message here in the body of the email. You can write it exactly the way you want it to appear every time you use the template. Take your time and make sure everything looks the way you want, because this is the version that will be saved. Alright, once the message is written and everything looks good, the next thing I'm going to do is look down at the bottom of this Compose window. Over on the right side, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. I'm going to click on those 3 dots. When I click that, a small menu opens up with several options. Inside that menu, I'm going to move my cursor down until I see the option called Templates. When I hover over Templates, another menu appears next to it. This is where Gmail lets us manage and save email templates. From this Templates menu, I'm going to look for the option that says Save Draft as Template. Once I move over that option, another small menu appears beside it. This is where we can actually save the email we just wrote. So now I'm going to click on Save as New Template. As soon as I click that, Gmail will ask me to enter a name for the template. This name is just for you, so you can easily find the template later when you want to use it again. At this point, I'm going to type a name for the template. You can call it anything that helps you recognize it quickly. For example, it might describe the type of email it is or the purpose of the message. The main thing is just giving it a clear name, so it's easy to pick from your template list later. Once the name is typed in and everything looks right, the last thing I'm going to do is click Save, and that's it. The template is now stored in Gmail, so now whenever you need that same message again, you won't have to type the whole email from scratch. The template will already be saved and ready to use. You can just insert it whenever you need it, which saves a lot of time if you send similar emails frequently. And that's the entire process. We opened Gmail, started a new message, wrote the email we want to reuse, opened the 3-dot menu, went into Templates, selected Save Draft as Template, chose Save as New Template, entered a name and clicked Save. Just like that, your email template is created and ready to go.